Hey everybody, welcome back to the Money Class. My mission is to assist you in building your financial empire through information that you can go and take action on and get results to help you level up in your business and personal monetary life. Okay, in this session, I'm going to give you a couple of options for that new entrepreneur that's just starting out in business and it needs to basically get some infrastructure in place. I'm going to focus on banks that you can go to as a new business owner and just start out when maybe cash is still a little tight, but you can still have a reputable financial institution behind you to be able to do the things that you need to do and be a fully fledged business owner. Okay, so the first bank that I'm going to highlight is BMO, formerly known as BMO Harris, but some people just call it BMO. They have a simple business checking account that allows you to basically have all of the same amenities you would have on, a high level checking account, but with limitations. I mean, first of all, you only need $100 to open this account, and you only need to keep an average balance of $100 to avoid any fees associated with this account. In addition to that, you're going to get 100 free transactions during every bill cycle, and you can deposit up to $2,000 in cash every bill cycle with no fee. You also have access to all of the BMO and Allpoint ATMs nationwide. You can deposit checks, pay bills, even move money around, and use tools like Zelle to help power your business forward. So BMO is the first bank that I'm going to recommend if you want to have a big bank behind you when you're starting your business out, but your cash is still a little challenged. You're a little challenged in the cash department. I highly recommend BMO. They were actually one of the first banks that I used to start a business account when I opened, a brand new LLC, because of the fact that you only needed $100. Okay, that's the first option. Number two, we're going to look at the U.S. Bank Silver Business Checking. Now, U.S. Bank is even bigger than BMO. I think U.S. Bank is maybe the 6th largest bank in America right now. And they get a lot of flack because they are very conservative. But with the Silver Business Checking account, you can start a bank account for your business with only $100. And you only need to keep $100 in for your monthly balance to avoid any fees. You're going to get up to $2,500 of free cash deposits or 25 free cash transactions, whichever comes first for every cycle. You get a discount on check orders. You get 125 free transactions. You still get online fraud prevention, remote check deposit. You have access to Zelle. You get access to the entire network of U.S. Bank ATMs, which is pretty vast. They're all over the place. And you have a huge bank that's backing you. Now, I want to also mention with both of these banks that I recommend, even though you're just starting out, let's look down the road a little bit. You're going to be able to have two large financial institutions behind you that both have plenty of business financial options like business credit cards. They both have business lines of credit. Now, with both of these banks, you're going to need to have, build some credit up. But when you're just starting out, to have a large financial institution that has a lot of tools behind you that you can build that relationship with, because that's what this is really about. It's about building that relationship. It's going to give you access to products at terms that can work for you. Okay, so that's all I got for today, guys. BMO with the simple business checking, U.S. Bank with the silver business checking. Those are your two options to be able to inexpensively start your business banking experience, whether you have an LLC C Corp, S Corp, or if you are a sole proprietor. Go ahead, don't delay because money is an issue. There's 2 cheap options for you that have tons of benefits for you to get started. So on that note, guys, this is just a quick lesson that I want to share with you today. Until next time, class is dismissed.